if we divide 10 by 3, we can directly see that it's equal to 3 remainder 1, right? But what if we see the other possibilities? 10 divided by 3 can be 3 times 2 is 6 and we have remainder 4. Or 10 divided by 3 is 3 times 1 is 3 and remainder 7, right? Or let's go do a little further. 0 remainder 10, right? But all of these are correct actually. Or let's go a little crazy with that. Let's say 3 times 4 is 12, right? So remainder, when we do 10 minus 12, it's bar 2, right? So whichever we want at some type of division, we can use that. Before we have been using this always, but we can use this or this whenever we need to. So let's see what happens here when we have 503 divided by 7. So we set it like before, like we did in the last lesson. Exactly same thing we are doing, and we put a vertical line here after one digit from the right for the remainder, and 7 will write like that as before, 2 on the flag. Now, like the previous lesson, 50 divided by 7 is 7 times 7 is 49, and we have remainder 1. So we have 13 here. Now next step is we multiply this 7, the answer digit, new answer digit, by the number on the flag. 7 times 2 is 14, and when we do 13 minus 14, we have the remainder bar 1, and we don't want that. Or now to solve this, we have two options. One, we can see that this 7 is actually 772s, right? We have 772s. So we bring 172 here, make it 6, and when we bring 72 here, it's 72 with added with bar 1, means 72 minus 1 is 71. So 6 remainder 71 will be our answer. Another way of doing this is avoiding the bar number in the remainder is we look ahead of time and see if the division is possible, subtraction is possible. If it is not, we can. So we have 72 here like before. Now 50 divided by 7 is 7 times 7 is 49, and we'll have remainder 1. And in the next step, if we see in our mind, we don't write 7 here, I'm just showing you. In our mind, if we see this one and we see 7 times 2 is 14 and 13 minus 14 will give us negative number, we write 6 here instead of 7. And remember that when we write 6 here, 7 times 6 is what? 7 times 6 is 42. So we have 8 remainder here, more than 7, but doesn't matter. We have 83 here, and when we do the next step, 6 times 2 is 12. 83 minus 12 will give us 71, and that's the exact same answer here, and we were able to avoid the negative number here by looking ahead of time. if you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.